Welcome to a wonderful late start to a video to a Tom versus Dale episode. That was a confident slam of door.
Doesn't set the premise for the whole project in general, does it?
No, a late finish.
Yeah.
Or a late start even.
Yeah, it's off. So this is the last you're ever going to see it like this. As soon as it gets to Phil's, we'll start tearing it apart. First job is to get the interior out because Cobra next week are going to come and pick it up. They're not going to change the interior. We're keeping the interior, but we're going to reshape it and
do some nice stuff to it.
Yeah, it's going to look wicked. Get all the exterior stuff off, and then it's off to custom colours for paint.
Yep, so we're off to the install company tonight to go strip out the rear seats.
And we've got my tools as well.
Oh, yes, and drop off the incredible Halfords tools. So thank you again, Halfords.
Thank you very much, Halfords, for that.
I haven't even noticed.
Oh, yeah, that fell off. That doesn't matter.
It fell off, did it? It fell off.
It may annoy some people.
It fell off, did it?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Because I'm a safe driver and responsible person, I'm not going to film you whilst we drive, so we're going to say goodbye, and when I raise the camera up in a minute, we're going to be at Phil's at the install company.
Oh, is it going to be and then up
and I think he might have a magnet again.
Hi, I have a magnet.
Okay, 3,
2,
1.
Hi.
Have you got a magnet?
Have I got a magnet? Yeah, many. What, I don't know what you want to stick it on. It can't be Dale's car, surely.
No, the first time.
Asking the question.
The first time we met you on camera, you said hi. This is Phil. Hi, I've got a magnet.
Oh, I've got a magnet. I did actually, yeah, didn't I?
Explain to the lovely viewers where we are.
the install company.
What is the install company?
It's the company of dreams and many, many lows.
All the lows?
I do my best.
For all the lows?
Yeah.
You look a bit scary.
Do I?
Could you remove the hood?
Oh my god, turn the music off, remove the hood, anything else?
There he is. There he is.
This is pretty much how we interact.
You just kind of stand around and
No
go.
conversation, just weirdly stand annoyingly.
There's a quite distance between you.
That's what I mean, there's an adequate distance.
Yeah.
It is very cold in here.
Yeah, it always is.
Why?
It spurs me on to work.
Insta cold company.
That doesn't work.
See, I lose all my powers.
Yeah, you've lost them.
I can't do wordplay.
Is there anything I can't film? Because this place is so
everything.
cool.
Seen the sign?
Yeah, officially everything.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm not allowed to film in here.
Yeah.
Right, well, I'm going to crack on with some B-roll and...
B-roll? You can get some food.
You have really lost all your powers, haven't you?
What? You can get some food.
I meant B...
Yeah,
film.
no, I said B-roll, you can just go and get some food.
That's
Gotta fuel the fire.
What do you think?
About
The Mercedes?
it's yes, all right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank God that started then. Oh, a little bonus. He's not listening. He's mad at me. He's mad.
Huh?
You mad at me?
No, I'm not mad at you.
You are a little bit.
I'm not.
That sounded angry.
I'm not.
Oh.
It's not Mark's one older, is it?
No. Nice turbo.
Beauty.
Yes. Oh no.
Oh, look at the gold turbo. I love gold!
Where's your spanners?
Look at your toolbox, Dale.
Oh, look at you.
Look at all that.
To somewhat
Blow
move.
around a little bit. That'll be down to Tom's professional.
So yeah.
10mm length.
Oh, okay. Is everything 10mm?
Oh no, the seat bolts are, so we'll start with that.
I'm taking things out, Dale.
Yep.
Yep. That was manly.
That made me feel really manly.
Oh!
There was a light in there once and you just covered it up with a mat.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Oh, it's just there, look.
Oh, yeah.
The bright thing.
I just thought that was the sparkle from your eyes.
Well,
Hello. There we go. What?
nothing, just crack on.
Well, you told me to get in.
I didn't.
You told me to get
The
in.
filmer told you to get in, I just told you to undo the bolts.
Absolute
The
drainer.
man doing the filming told you to get in. You wanted to see your little legs dangling over the back.
I didn't realise you were such a handyman with a spanner.
Yeah.
It's all for the camera.
But Phil, what's the rule? If you need anything tightening up, I'll do it.
Yeah, if you need anything tightening, Dale's your man.
Why? Is he?
By tightening, I mean snapping.
There was one incident on my Beetle where I thought I would service the air ride myself. And
How did it go?
it was going swimmingly until I decided to tighten up the compressor back after I drained it and all that whatnot, and cracked the whole head on the compressor.
No.
Yeah.
The fittings on an air tank are tapered,
Right.
so they only go in so far. You will not get them flush fitting with the tank.
Yeah.
Unless you're Dale.
Unless you
You did say it was
I said,
one of the few cars you worked on that never fluctuated in air pressure.
well, it wouldn't.
The wrench.
Look at that.
That's the official dump stick.
That's a beauty, that is, isn't it? That'll get even the tightest nuts undone. Look at that.
She said.
It does pong. It properly pongs, Phil.
It's a bit moist.
Don't worry.
Dale's used to working with moist things.
Oh,
As I say, it's magnetic.
why is mine not a 10?
Oh, actually, yours isn't a 10.
No.
That's weird, isn't
I
it?
just said that. Hey. That's heavy.
Oh, good lord.
That's it. Scrape the leather.
What, you mean the leather that's going to be ripped off?
That's not the point, Dale.
Well, it doesn't really matter, does it?
Have some finesse about you,
Yeah.
Dale.
I don't have any finesse
Come
about
on.
me. Oh, that's broken.
Probably got clipped on the inside.
Oh, you're kidding me. You reckon?
Yeah, there's a massive nut right in the middle of it.
Bit better?
Well, yeah, I mean, it's a good job we're not taking it off. I mean, we're not putting it back on. We're definitely taking it off.
Clearly.
Actually, I don't know what he's going to say, so this will be interesting.
Excellent.
Well, interior, so on the job list was interior and getting it on the ramp to measure wheels.
Yes.
So we can get them ordered.
Yes.
And it's addressing holes. And cleaning.
Yes.
That's not tonight.
No. Well, unless you really want to clean the underneath tonight, but
do
I'm
not.
guessing you do not.
I do not want to clean it tonight. You're not used to people being here.
No, no, it really weirds me out, to be honest.
But you usually work, do you work alone then, Phil?
Yeah. I certainly do.
By choice.
All on your little lonesome.
All of my
There's
little
one at the top
lonesome.
here, Phil.
Yeah, I don't.
Spinning.
Come on. Come on. Off you come now. Just get off.
Ooh. It's old. Don't need that. Clue.
Cool.
Well done. That's it, right?
Well, that's it for this job.
Yeah.
So we've got the interior out. That's going to go to Cobra. Got this off because we're going to be doing something pretty cool with the grill. Got the badges off because we're not going to be running badges. That's it so far.
Nice.
Next
Stage
job,
one.
stage 1 complete. Next job, up in the air, measure it for the wheels.
Amazing.
Yeah, because we want to get those ordered.
Should
nice
we-
and quick, because I'm pretty excited about those.
Should we tell people to like, share and subscribe?
Oh, because last time I did this. Like, share and I mean, we could get Phil to tell people to like, share and
Phil.
subscribe.
Yes,
Thank you very much for today.
no problem. What do you want to know?
You should shout out yourself on Instagram.
Hi, my name's Phil.
No, I don't know.
I'm on Instagram.
Now the ban's been lifted.
What ban? I don't know. That's the problem. What ban? I'm not on a ban. Am I on a ban?
You were, but it's been lifted, isn't it?
What ban?
At the install company.
At the install company. All one word.
I don't know
No
what
underscores. No
Hashtag
at. Just at the install company. That's me.
Perfect. And you should, well, what I tell Dale to do is like, share and subscribe to the Meguiars UK YouTube channel.
Like, share, and subscribe to the install company. UK.
That's not why it's...
.co.uk/.
Isn't it?
Underscore, isn't it?
But isn't it? So, like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel, Tom Does Israel. Ding.
Really offensive language on your video.
Absolutely not.
Oh, what a pity.
Now, just say loads.
The old chit chat. He's weird around me, isn't he?
No, it's just when I'm with my friends, I can be myself. Ah, in my eye, rust in my eye.